Somali spirit rising. This poem resonates with the strength of Somali pride, echoing resilience through struggles we abide. Chains of conflict and dignity we explore. In unity we rise, forever we endure. It's clear this message transcends all games. No mention of teams, just the heart that remains in every line. A reflection of who we are, a legacy shining, our hopes reaching far. If we into dines, with each word we shout, I am Somali. A lineage of strength, a bond that won't falter. Dignity and self-respect. We hold our heads high, wealth within we possess. I do not beg for my spirit's bless. Hold our heads high, wealth within we possess. I do not beg for my spirit's bless. No chains can bind us, nor flattery sway. We walk with our truth, come what may. Prepare to defend, but we seek harmony. Rejecting the strife, embracing unity. We bear the weight of togetherness, undivided. Through every challenge, our spirits ignited. In the heart of our struggle, a fire that won't wane. This is our poem, our pride, our refrain.